Welcome to Ratsusila Holistics. Today I am going to explain you about camels. Camel statues and camel idols. Camels are very tough animals which can survive in any kind of climate. Direst of the climate, direst of the atmosphere. They can live even in desert without food for many days. They store water in their humps. Like that, when we bring camel in our home, the statue of camel, they store good luck in their humps and endurance power, perseverance in their hump, and release it whenever we want them, whenever we need them. There are some key benefits of camel which I will explain you now. The first thing is, if somebody is very sick, they are fighting for their life, cancer patients or somebody like that similar to it who are very much in struggle for their life, you place camel beside their bedside. Camel will help them to fight for their life with more patience and give them longevity. Camel is also a symbol of longevity. Second thing, children, they are attempting for tough exams like competitive exams, entrance exams, wherein the syllabus will be very much and the time period will be very much less. In such circumstances, if you place a pair of camel on their study table, their memory power will increase, their concentration will increase, they will easily clear of the exams. Even the toughest of the exams they can clear. And another thing I will tell you, in life, some circumstances will be as such, a person will be stuck up in a place. From all four sides he will have lot of problems, disappointments, delays. He cannot come out, he doesn't know how to come out of the problem, where to go, what to do. No road is visible for him. In such circumstances, bringing a camel and placing it in his personal growth area of his house, he can find a way to come out of the problem, start life once again new, and progress in his life. So, bring a camel in your home, not a real one, a statue or idol, and derive the benefits. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe it.